Hello children, welcome to today's maths class. Children, in today's class we will learn number counting 1 to 10 with the help of number chart, and then I will teach you to write number 4 in the notebook as well as in the maths activity book. So children, let's start our today's learning. Children, let's learn number counting 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now comes 10. Children, in this way, you have to learn number counting and you have to recognize number from 1 to 10, the way I taught you. Children, today I will teach you to write a new number and it is number 4. First of all, let's count these oranges, the juicy oranges. Children, we always start counting from number 1. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many oranges are there? 4. How you have to write 4? Look here children. Standing line, sleeping line, and then cut it like this. In this way you have to write number 4. Now how you will write in your notebook? See, I have made some blocks. You have to leave some gap from the upper line. Okay? Okay children, now put your pencil on the dot and you have to make a standing line and then a sleeping line like this. Then remove your hand. Then again go up before this sleeping line and then make a standing line and cut it like this. In this way you have to make number 4. See, look here again. Standing line, sleeping line and cut it like this. Speak and write number 4. Standing line, sleeping line, cut and touch the blue line. In this way you have to write number 4. Children, don't write 4 like this. This is wrong. Okay. So you have to write like this. Standing line, sleeping line, and then this standing line will go on the sleeping line. In this way you have to write. This is the correct formation of number 4. Standing line, sleeping line and cut it like this. See. And touch the blue line. Don't write like this. If you will write like this, this will again become wrong. Now children, I will show you how you will write in your maths notebook. Children, now it's time to write number 4 in the maths notebook. So 4 means what? Let's count these apples. We always start counting with number 1. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means this. This is number 4. First you have to write today's date. Today is 5th May 2021 like this, and then you will start writing number 4. Leave this block, start writing from here. Okay, and after writing in one block you will leave the next block. So children, leave some gap from the top blue line and then start writing from here. Make a standing line, slanting line and then cut it like this. Standing line, sleeping line and then again standing line. Standing line, sleeping line, cut. Standing line, sleeping line, cut. Standing line, sleeping line, cut like this. And the standing line, the second time it will come on the blue line. Don't start from here and don't write like this. This is wrong. And if you will start like this and you will make it like this, this is also wrong. Don't come out of this square. Okay, you have to write within the square. Like this. Standing line, sleeping line and again standing line. Or you can say cut like this. So children, in this way you have to write number 4. Standing line, sleeping line and then standing line. Standing line, sleeping line, cut like this. In this way you have to write number 4 in your maths notebook. Children, now I will teach you to write number 4 in your maths activity for generations book. So bring it quickly. And now open page number 6. First you have to write today's date. Today is 5th May 2021, like this. Now see children, you have to trace and write number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cats. So 4 means this. So first you have to trace and write. Put your pencil on the pink dot and and trace these small dots like this. Okay, now see how they are going. So first you have to learn by trace and write, and then you can write on your own in this book and then in your notebook. Okay children. Like this. Trace it till here, and then from here you have to write on your own like this. Again you will trace and write first till here, and then you have to write on your own in these blocks, in these empty blocks. You have to finish writing all these blocks till here. In this way children, you have to write number 4. So write it. Finish this whole page and take its picture, send it to me. Children, now you all know number counting 1 to 10, isn't it? Now you are able to recognize numbers from 1 to 10. Children, there is a very interesting rhyme which is based on these numbers. So children, let's learn it and recite it together. You will have lots of fun. So let's start. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. A big fat hen. It was very interesting, isn't it? Children, try to learn this rhyme. It is based on numbers from 1 to 10. So try to learn it, make your video on it and send it to me.